What's happening, guys? I'm TechSource. Welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. It has been ages. I don't even know how long it's been since I've done one of these videos, and a lot of you guys have been requesting it. So if this does well, I will revive the series and we'll continue to do this on the channel. But you guys know the drill. I'm gonna box stuff, starting from the smallest box and move our way up to... I took a lot of energy. I'm so out of shape. Oh my God. All right, with that said, yeah, let's start off with the small boxes and then move our way up to the large boxes. All right, let's do this. First box is coming from, looks like Taipei. All right, let's check this box out. I'm normally not this out of shape, guys. I apologize. I don't know why that took so much energy from me. What do we got today? We have an empty box, ladies and gentlemen. This is the first, okay. Oh, so we got two things in this box. Let's open this up real quick. I'm guessing this was used as padding now. That makes sense. All right, so inside here we have, looks like a Threadripper processor. So this is the Threadripper 1950X, 16 core, 32 thread CPU, which is gonna be going in a very special water-cooled build. Let's put this aside. And we've got some RAM. 32 gigs at 2400 megahertz. This is from Jail. These are Gale or Jail? I don't even know how you say that. These are RGB RAM sticks compatible with the Asus RS Sync. Let's pop this open. Take a closer look. Oh, this is open also, okay. Not bad looking RAM sticks, I gotta say. I'm glad that they stuck with the neutral black color scheme. So this is actually a cool little setup. I can just throw in RAM sticks in here and kind of get a preview of what it would look like in a build. But these are some pretty sweet RGB RAM sticks, and I love how the color is evenly distributed from one side to the other. I don't even see any hotspots. So yeah, very excited to put this in a build coming up soon, guys. Next up, let's open up these envelopes actually, since they're the easiest. So I ordered this from Newegg. This is a T-Force Vulcan 16 gigs at 3000 megahertz. And this is going in a highly anticipated $1,000 PC, which I'm actually gonna be shooting tomorrow. It's gonna have a build guide, and it's gonna be featuring the R5 2600 with the RTX 2070. Full build guide, overclocking tutorial for the CPU and GPU, installing Windows drivers and all that. So you guys don't wanna miss out. It's gonna be a beast build. I was actually shopping on Amazon and I came across these. I was looking for white SATA cables because this is going in the new Big Red. I'm rebuilding my PC back at home. I'm gonna give it the RTX treatment. It's gonna be water cooled, it's gonna be epic. And I was looking for some white SATA cables to go with it. So I picked up two from Amazon. Hair clipper blade oil. Yeah, this was a personal purchase. But yeah, we might open packages that I ordered for myself. I do my best to try and separate that from actual like tech, but sometimes it gets through. Okay, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is very hard to find. This is the Hyper 212 Black Edition. It's pretty much sold out everywhere. This is going in the $1,000 PC build guide, which is happening tomorrow. Yeah. In case you guys haven't noticed, the theme of the build is going to be mostly black, and this is going to do a good job cooling the R5 2600 because we're going to be overclocking it. I'm not even looking at where these boxes are coming from. I'm just going to open it up. Was that like a dying vulture sound? What the hell was that? All right, so this is from NVIDIA. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the second RTX 2080 Ti with the NVLink. Obviously, we're gonna be doing an SLI build for Big Red. You guys know how it is. I don't need an extra 2080 Ti for the build, but I'm doing it because I gotta stick with the theme. I gotta stick with the overkill theme. Here's the other 2080 Ti that was sent to me by NVIDIA. Have you guys noticed that the color of the box is different? I don't know why the packaging is different, but let's open it up, shall we? Actually, no, I don't want to open it up. I want to open it up in the time-lapse video. I think that will be even more epic. This GPU has been sitting in the back shelf since it launched. I'm sure you guys have seen it in like all my videos. I've had a chance to play with it or kiss it or use it in a build, but now's the time, guys. Now is the time. Finally, I get to use these beauties. in the new Big Red build. Big Red version 3, I think that's what it is. But anyways, coming up very soon, guys. It's gonna be an epic water-cooled build. You definitely don't wanna miss out. All right, next up is from DHL. It's got an interesting rectangular shape. My guess would have to be a keyboard, but I don't remember ordering a keyboard or getting a keyboard for a review. So let's check it out nonetheless. By the way, how are you guys doing? I haven't asked you how your day is going. My apologies. Let me know how your day is going. If it's a weekend, how's your weekend going? How's school? How's your day? What are you eating? Are you drinking tea right now? What are you doing? Let me know. Oh, it is a keyboard. It's from Keytron? Keytron. Okay, interesting packaging. Whoa, look how thin this keyboard is. What is this? Oh, whoa, this actually looks pretty damn cool. Are those blue switches? Guys, I think this is a mechanical keyboard. Look how sleek this is. Look how thin this is. Wow. So this is a mechanical keyboard with RGB lighting, and it's wireless. So this keyboard is supposed to last you anywhere from 8 to 40 hours with RGB lighting, and it varies based on the brightness and use case. That's a big gap, 8 to 40 hours. Okay, not a bad looking keyboard, guys. I don't know if you would be interested in a review of something like this. Let me know in the comment section. I've been doing a lot of keyboard reviews recently, in case you guys haven't noticed, but this has piqued my interest. If enough of you want a review on this in the comment section, I will do a review on this, but this looks pretty interesting. I feel like this would fit perfectly in a minimalistic setup, but yeah. Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Moving on. Okay. So this is the motherboard that's going in the $1,000 PC build guide that I'm working on tomorrow. This is the MSI B450 Tomahawk. I've used this motherboard so many times in previous builds, and I keep coming back to it because of the price, the reliability, and the features. It's got 4 DIMM slots, RGB lighting, and I just love the support for overclocking. Oh, I already know what this one is, just because of how heavy it is. All right. So this is the Corsair AX1600i. The beefiest power supply, and I'm sure you guys already know where this is going. It's gonna be going in Big Red version 3 because not only are we overclocking the 7980XE, which is a 16-core processor, but we're gonna be overclocking both RTX GPUs. We're gonna be pushing the system to its limits, and it's gonna need all the juice it can possibly get. So yeah, can't wait. All right, guys. We've got 3 more boxes to go. Let me know if you guys are enjoying the show by just dropping a like, and if you're bored out of your mind, you know what to do. Leave your dislike and your constructive criticism in the comment section, as always. Oh, speaking of RTX, we've got another one. I already mentioned this before. This is the RTX 2070 that's going in the $1,000 PC build guide that I'm working on tomorrow. It's from EVGA. This is the XC Ultra. And believe it or not, this is actually half the cost of the entire build. The build is $1,000. This GPU is $500. But yeah, the point of the build is bang for your buck, to give you the best performance possible by spending only $1,000. And this right here is the MVP. All right, we got one from Amazon. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Again, we got the rest of the parts for the build guide for tomorrow. This is the Ryzen 5 2600, like I said. And we even picked up some fans from Roseville. Guys, these are probably the best value right now online. 4 fans. I forgot the price, 1 second. 4 fans. You get 4 120mm fans for $14. That is a steal. And these offer great airflow, and they're really quiet. One of the highest rated on Amazon. Check it out if you guys want. I'll drop a link below. But I know they're kidding though, right? Did they literally just give me 4 screws? They only gave me 4 screws for 4 fans. Why? Did they expect me to use 1 screw on each fan? Like, Damn you, Amazon. All right, I'm gonna have to contact the support. All right, guys, last but not least. All right, this one I already know what it is because it's the only piece that's missing. What? Is something went wrong. Oh my God. I don't know what happened here exactly, but there's another RTX 2070 sent from EVGA. This is the black edition. I think actually this is the one that's supposed to be going for $500. I don't know what this one is. That is weird. Okay, anyways, and yeah, this is the power supply that is going in the build, 600 watt bronze certified power supply from EVGA. And that wraps up this unboxing episode. If you guys enjoyed it and want me to continue doing these on the channel, let me know by dropping a like. And if you guys didn't enjoy it, feel free to dislike as well. I'll drop a link to everything unboxed in this video down below, and make sure you guys are subscribed because I have some epic builds coming up that you don't want to miss out, especially with these two beauties right over here. Anyways, thanks guys again so much for watching. As always, I will see you in the next one.